los terroristas.
And do the Harlem Shake.
Congratulations, Rangers, from all the Gators. Great accomplishment. We did this all for you. Good luck, and we hope you bring home the trophy.
Congratulations, boys. We're so proud of you. You make us Gator proud. Good luck at state. Take it all.
Good luck, guys. I know y'all are going to do awesome. And I can't wait to see y'all tomorrow night and Saturday. Bye. Y'all are awesome. Prove it to the world.
Hey, guys, congratulations. I'll see you there at 7. I'm going to be there.